Guess what time of year it is, y'all? It's a spooky time of year. And I've even got a little peanut gallery here today in the audience to help me. Help me make it even spooky. Can you do that, Michael? Do that mean face. No, don't do that mean face. So, what you think? We're going to start with an appetizer today. And it's easy, it's fun, and a little spooky, but at the same time a little funny. So I've got 1 can of petite diced tomatoes, and I've actually squeezed the juice out of them. I've got a cup of cheddar cheese, and I'm just going to dump all this together. And I'm going to add some garlic. That's going to help kick it up. And I'm going to add, let's see, I was hoping to use fresh dill, y'all, but the grocery stores are already showing shortages in produce. So I'm going to, it called for 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, and dried dill is stronger, more potent than fresh dill. So I'm going to cut back on that a little bit. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And that's Paula's tablespoon size. Like I said, you want to squeeze the juice real good out of those tomatoes, whether you're going to use canned or fresh chopped. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to set that aside. We're going to set that aside, and then we're going to move on to our filo dough. And you can find this in the frozen food department at your grocery store. The only thing that, to me, you have to be careful of is they can absorb the liquid real fast. So you would want to fill these at the last minute when you're ready to serve them. And all we're gonna do is take a little of our cheese dip, and we're gonna cover it with some more cheese. And I have some black olives here that I've stuffed with mozzarella cheese. So how cute is that? All you have to do is just cut your pieces of fresh mozzarella now, and just stuff it down in there. And because of our filo dough being so small, I'm actually cutting my olives in 2. Cute, cute, cute. The kids will get a kick out of these. And look, we've got them on a little stand, and we've got some preserved moss. We don't have to worry about red bugs, y'all. But how do you like those?
They look great.
I think they're cute. So Michael's already saying, don't put any olives on mine. Well, the olives is what... Look over there. Look at the witches.
I would like for you to take my picture of my teeth.
Of your teeth? Oh, look. She made it look like she's missing a tooth. Isn't it?
That's a pop can do. Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry, ladies first. There you go, great.
This is mine.
Well, if you want them all, you can have them all. Tell me what you think. You took your olives out. The olives is what makes it a ghost. Princess.
I know it scared me. There you go, my olive.
Good.
It's good, isn't it? Quick, easy, and fun for a Halloween appetizer. Love and best dishes. Y'all be safe. This is a quick tip, y'all, that Eddie just brought up, and I really, really like it. You know, these little filo cups, they have a very, very short life because as soon as you put something that's damp in there, they'll get soft. So Eddie suggested that we put these in the air fryer and just toast them up a little bit more, and that might give them some more extra strength. So that's a good tip. Next time I make these, I'm going to do that. Way to go, Eddie.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.